Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to earn cratos token for free without doing anything. So, after this video, you will be able to earn cratos token for free and withdraw it to your crypto account. So, please watch the full video, don't skip the video. Earning money online is not just a hard thing, but you have to spend a little bit of a time for earning money online. So don't waste any time. You have to come on. You have need one app. So you can see here, vote to earn. Every vote counts. Don't skip the video after watching this. I will show you some tips that you can increase your earning. So after coming to this, you can see here you can vote my love, so everything that you like. So I will click on BDC and click to vote. After clicking to vote, you can see here completed 5 crts earned. So after this, I will coming to my page for the proof that you can't see it. So you can see here now I have 2035 crts, and I will come into home. For every vote you will get 5 crts tokens. So president, you have to choose one. After choosing one, so you can see here 5 crts earned. So now you can see here 5 crts have been added to my account after one vote. So this is the way, and this app link will be in the description below. If you sign up from my link, you will earn 1000 crts tokens for free. If you are not registering on my link, you will not earn 1000 crts for free. So now it's your turn, and this app name is Cratos. You can download it from Play Store. I will show you, and if you didn't come to Play Store, click on my link, you will be redirected. So after coming to Play Store, so you have to search for, so you can see here after searching for Kratos, you can see here Kratos earn crts every day, and you can see here this website reviews, it have 4.1. This is always some reviews, 4.1 stars. So, and all this for that video, and my referral code and referral link will be in the description below. And please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.